Before going to the detail of these tools and menu and the software, I want to explain the simple workflow of this software. Don't worry, I will be explaining it in detail, but see what happens if you want to draw some designing for your classes. First, you have to go, you select your avatar, female, male, any kids, anything that you want. For example, a male, not different. Double click to insert your avatar from its library. It's very simple. This is an avatar. And as you can see, it's a ghost of that avatar in a 2D pattern that you can design your pattern based on it. It's very simple and easy. First, going to the this tool, you can select the polygon. I will be explain them all of them. You have to, as you can see, it's automatically a snap. You can click and then for second click, right click, and here you can simply activate your mirror. I will be explain them. Don't worry about that. Okay, now as you can see, we have a symmetry design. Just simply click, and as you can see, it's automatically close this pattern. And as you can see, in a 2D, we have a 2D pattern, and it's automatically created in 3D. Nice. You can go into the transfer tool, right click, you can copy and then paste it here if you want. As you can see, another 3D object will be created here, but we want to swing this part. This is the front part, this is the back part. And as you can see, we have a darker part at the back. It means this is front of the fabric and this is the back of the fabric. Don't worry, I'll be explaining them. And here the gizmo, you can bring it at the back of the avatar and we need to flip it. You can simply right click and flip horizontally because we need to back of the fabric face on the body of the avatar. In a last part, it's very simple. You have to swing them. You have to going and swing your. This is an edit swing and this is a segment swing. It's very simple. Click and then click corresponding edge. It's automatically swing and the symmetry part because at the beginning of the drawing I activate the symmetry. It's very nice. It's automatically swing. Oops, those parts. Click. Nice. The final step is activating the simulation. It's a fast simulation based on a GPU. I will be explaining them in detail. Don't worry. Normal or fitting. It means the accurate and best, but default. And select it and activate it. As you can see, it's simply activate and you can interactively changing your classes and simulation. And you can go back and edit it if you want. Turn off the simulation. You can hit a space for that. Space. You can go in here and your edit pattern. If you want, you can edit your pattern or edit curvature. I want to add a curvature here. As you can see, it's nice. You can edit your curvature and it automatically update in a 3D. Nice. You can go into the edit pattern with holding shift click and click and drag it. You can holding shift or both. As you can see, we have a smart guide and here a space. Nice. As you can see, you can edit your classes here. This is the simplest workflow in simulation in Marvelous Designer. It's very easy. Just you have to know the tools and design your pattern and test it in a 3D. Nice. This is a simple workflow of design pattern classes in this software. Create your classes in the 2D, edit them. You can see it in your 3D, but you have lots of tools in the 3D. Another different tool in the 2D. Some of the tools are exactly, for example, you can swing in 3D. Of course, and you can swing in the 2D. They are the same, but we have a special tool in the 2D and a special tool in the 3D. And as you can see, we have all tool here that I explained them for controlling the 3D and the 2D window. For example, showing something, hiding something, and that's it. This is the simplest workflow of the software. But here you can go to the fabric and assign, just click and drag from your library and assign a different pattern to your fabric. Interesting, for example. As you can see, we have a huge library of the pattern that you can go in here. For example, this wool. And in the properties editor, you can edit your texture, normal map, displacement. Nice. You can do it everything here. Your cotton, as you can see. And then you can export it and render it in the other 3D software. Unfortunately, in software, we don't have rendering, but in the software that I call it brother of the Marvelous Designer, the big brother, is Cloud 3D. You can simply render it in this software. In the description, we have lots of tutorial about the Cloud 3D. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.